So here's how you can change your name on the Facebook running the latest version of the app in in iOS 26. So let's get started. If you're new here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Well, you open up the Facebook app, of course, and what we need to get into is that at the bottom you can see a couple of different sections, but I want you to go to the more and tap on your profile right there, and you can see some editing tools like the pencil icon at the top, but that doesn't do much. Like, you can obviously edit some information about yourself, but you cannot update your name. Instead, we have to go actually into the Meta Accounts Center. So when you can see your name right here, I can tap on the down arrow to expand it. And you want to actually get to this section. So you want to go to the Accounts Center, you tap it like that, and this is the place where you can manage all of your profiles. For example, the one on Instagram as well. So you can go in here, tap on the Facebook one, and in there you can change the name like this. You can manage other names or as well add a middle name, but all of the regular stuff is going to be right here. So just make sure you click on review changes and like save it actually, so it doesn't get like discarded as a draft or something. But you can see this is how you can change the name. It might take a while for it to take place or take effect, and also I don't think that you can change it very often, because it's like, name displayed publicly on other platforms, so you can only do it a few times, but that kind of changes. So yeah, I hope I was able to explain it. Let me know what you think below in the comments, and most importantly, if you are able to change the name of your own profile. So thanks a lot, and I will see you in the next videos too.